As Indiana begins to slowly reopen, Fox 59's Russ McQuaid takes a look at the numbers that the governor and all of Indiana are relying on to get back on track.
When Eli Lilly conducted the first public testing of Hoosiers potentially infected with the COVID-19 virus on March 22nd, the positive rate of those tested was 13.4%. Every Sunday since then, once the virus and the testing really got rolling, the positive return rate hit a high of 19.4% before gradually dropping to a pretty consistent 18.3%. And that's factoring in the hundreds of new unexpected cases in the last week or so from the Tyson processing plant in Logansport.
I don't worry so much about individual spikes like these as much as I do just making sure that we're tracking the long-term trend. And the long-term trend has been very clear since late March. The number of hospitalizations are going down. The relative percentage of patients testing positive is trending down. So we're heading in the right direction. We know that the social distancing works, which is encouraging.
The fewer coronavirus patients in Indiana intensive care unit beds and the more ventilators not being used would seem to bear out Governor Holcomb's contention that the state is holding its own and even winning in its battle with COVID-19. The model from the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation recommends maintaining social distance in Indiana another 3 weeks. So does a model developed by the Fairbanks School of Public Health at IUPUI in order not to lose momentum in the downward trend of coronavirus infections.
In order to do that, you need to be able to test, you need to be able to do contact tracing, isolating, etc. But to know where the potential cases might be, you have to do a lot of monitoring. So we're going to be entering into a phase of continued monitoring of symptoms, of cases, of hospitalizations as we think about opening up.
Meaning Marion County, with 30% of all the positive cases in Indiana, needs to ramp up its response to help lead the state out of the coronavirus crisis. Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.